Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send XRP from Kraken to Tangem Cold Storage. So we'll start with the first step, which is to open Kraken and locate your XRP. So from here, you just have to sign in, and on the home screen, scroll to your assets list and then confirm your XRP balance is available, not stacked or on hold. So tap on funding in the bottom navigation to start a withdrawal. Next is choose withdraw and pick XRP. So on the funding screen, tap on withdraw, then toggle, then under the assets, select XRP, which is Ripple, and then confirm your available XRP balance is shown. Then tap on continue to proceed to the withdrawal form. Next is get your Tangem XRP address plus destination tag. So open the Tangem application on the same phone, tap receive on your XRP wallet, copy both the wallet address and the destination tag, which is the memo. So Tangem generates a unique tag for your card, so sending XRP without the destination tag can result in permanent loss. Next is paste your address, destination tag, and amount. So back in Kraken, paste the Tangem XRP address into the address field, and then paste the destination tag or the memo in its own field. So double check both are correct and enter your amount, which is 500 XRP in this example, and then review the network fee and tap review withdrawal. Lastly is confirm and watch it arrive in Tangem. So confirm the withdrawal, so Kraken will show withdrawal sent with the green check mark, transaction ID, and destination tag. So XRP typically arrives at your Tangem card within 3 to 5 seconds. So tap view on XRP ledger to verify on chain, then open Tangem to confirm the balance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!